The ultimate goal is competing in global time attack and super lap battle. And the finer point within that goal is front wheel drive limited class. Taking place right now is the Haltech install, where we are completely rewiring the entire car to run off of a Haltech ECU and power distribution module, thus trimming the fat and making the chassis an actual driver's chassis. That way we can focus on driver mod and then some driver mod and then driver mod going forward. Of course, once the Haltech install is done, I'll work on getting the chassis fully caged. Once I'm sufficiently comfortable with the chassis as it is, then we'll start looking towards the boosted K20 swap. Yes, we're putting a Honda engine in a Ford Focus. And then off camera here, I have a 2004 Ford Focus WRC wide body kit that I'll be fixing up and making masters for molds for carbon. Because my plan is to have the entire outer shell of the Focus to be carbon fiber. Bumpers, hood, hatch, roof, pillars, doors, everything carbon fiber. Then with that carbon fiber will come the big arrow. Huge front splitter, huge rear wing, canards, flat belly, whole 9 yards. So while the build currently looks kind of like a hot mess, there is a method to my madness. So stay tuned. Also, we got merch if you want to support the build.